Hey guys, this is Marco Leone. By now we've all heard the stories floating around about what things affect your credit scores. Well, today I'm here to put an end to at least a few of those rumors by busting 3 of the biggest myths out there. Now sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome to our very first video newsletter, where we bring you personal finance tips and usable news, and we do it in a way that isn't boring. Here's a question for you. What does an army truck, pizza, and breaking glass have in common? You'll see in just a moment, but let's get to the serious stuff first. Let's talk about credit. More specifically, let's talk about 3 terrible myths about credits that just won't go away. Myth 1. Checking your credit hurts your scores. I'm stamping this one false. See, there are 2 types of credit inquiries. One is a soft inquiry, and the other is called a hard inquiry. When you check your own score, it's viewed as a soft inquiry, and nothing bad happens. But when a third party pulls your credits, such as applying for a loan or a credit card, this is what is known as a hard inquiry. Too many hard inquiries in a short period of time can result in lower score. The lesson here is to not go crazy with credit pulls when it's time for a loan. Myth 2. Lower credit limits boost your score. This myth can actually harm your score if you take its advice. Lenders like to see a fairly large gap between your credit limit and your balance. In other words, if you have a very low limit, $300 for example, a few $100 will come close to maxing it out, which is something that's not helpful to your credit score. Raising your limits without going overboard while keeping lower balances is what you should strive for. Myth 3. Just handle your finances and your scores will be okay. Here's another dangerous myth. Assuming that your credit score is a gauge of your financial health, it's not. There are plenty of millionaires out there with bad credit to prove it. Truth is, your credit score is a reflection of how likely you are to default on debt based on a number of factors and calculations. If you stop using your credit altogether, or max out your cards regularly, you could end up with a low credit score even when everything else seems to be going great. Always fact-check advice you receive from friends, family, or online. Your credit is an important financial tool and worth spending a few moments to make certain you're on the right path. Now that you know which myths could harm your credit, let's talk about some interesting, strange but true news that just may put a smile on your face. Did you know an equivalent of 75 acres of pizza are eaten in America every single day? Considering 1 acre is about 76% of a football field, imagine all those pizzas. I think I just made myself hungry. Did you know, when glass breaks, the cracks move at speeds of up to 3,000 miles per hour? Funny, I never thought of glass as being all that speedy before. Now let's wrap this up with what's sure to become a monthly tradition. Funny headline of the day. Check this one out. Army vehicle disappears after being painted with camouflage. I go ahead and explain what makes this funny, but this one explains itself. Wonder what happened? Feel free to pass this on to your friends. Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. And remember, if you have questions regarding credit, mortgage loans, or any material covered in today's newsletter, the next screen will show you how to reach us. Make it a great day.
So, what'd you think? Did you enjoy the video? For more great videos like this one and free tips on mortgages, real estate, and credit, go to my website right now and become a VIP member. If you have any questions about mortgages, credit, or how to get pre-qualified, contact me now and I'll be glad to help. This is Marco Leone. Thanks for watching and take care.